This will be our last recording about the moon comprehension reading. So let's go over the answers. As you can see, I have them written down. When the sun comes up for our daytime, it appears that the moon goes away, but it doesn't. It is harder to see because the sky is so bright. The second question. On average, how cold does it get on the moon at night? Negative 153 degrees. What is the diameter of the moon in kilometers? 3,476. And the word that means go around is orbit. How many days does a lunar month take? 28. Explain what happens to the moon during the day. In the daytime, the moon does not disappear. It is just very hard to see. If you have anything like that, that is okay. It doesn't have to be spelled correctly. It can be something similar. In your own words, the next one, describe what it's like to be on the moon. You can talk about it being very hot in the day, cold at night. It's probably hard to walk around. There's no water. Having to be in the spacesuit might present problems. There are many different things. And lastly, explain why astronauts appear to bounce when they are walking on the moon. This is because there is less gravity on the moon. That means it takes longer for the person to come back down. Again, anything like that will be an acceptable answer.